हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। हम लोग आज बात करेंगे रेफ्रिजरेशन एंड एयर कंडीशनिंग के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस के बारे में, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन प्रॉस्पेक्टिव से काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं। बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर। क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फ्रोस्ट ऑन एवोपरेटर इन रेफ्रिजरेटर। फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फ्रोस्ट ऑन एवोपरेटर इन रेफ्रिजरेटर। व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर इज A, that is your result in loss of heat due to poor heat transfer. The next question is, in refrigerators, the temperature difference between the evaporating refrigerant and the medium being cooled should be. What is the right answer is B, that is your as low as possible 3 to 11 degrees Celsius. The next question is, in a flooded evaporator, refrigerator and accumulator at section compressor is used to. The right answer is A, that is your collect liquid refrigerant and prevent it from going to compressor. The next question is, accumulator should have an adequate volume to store refrigerant charge at least. The right answer is C, that is your 50%. The next question is, at lower temperature and pressure, the latent heat of vaporization of a refrigerant. The right answer is B, increases. The next question is, a refrigerant cycle operates between condenser temperature of plus 27 degrees Celsius and evaporator temperature minus 23 degrees Celsius. The Carnot coefficient of performance of a cycle will be. The right answer is C, that is your 5. Next question, if the T1 and T2 be the highest and the lowest absolute temperature encountered in a heat pump operating on a reverse Carnot cycle, then its COP is equal to. The right answer is D, that is T1 upon T1 minus T2. The next question is, in a vapor compression refrigeration system, refrigerant occurs as liquid between. The right answer is C, that is your expansion wall and evaporator. Next question, pick up the correct statement about giving up of heat from one medium to other in ammonia absorption system. The right answer is B, that is your weak solution to a strong solution. Next question is, efficiency of a Carnot engine is given as 80%. If the cycle direction be reverse, what will be the value of COP of reverse Carnot cycle? The right answer is D, that is 0.25. Next question, highest pressure encountered in a refrigeration system should be. The right answer is B, that is your much below critical pressure. Next question is, if a heat pump cycle operates between the condenser temperature of 27 degrees Celsius and evaporator temperature minus 23 degrees Celsius, then the Carnot COP will be. The right answer is D, that is your 6. The next question is, a certain refrigeration system has a normal operating suction pressure of 10 kg per centimeter square gauge and condensing pressure of about 67 kg per centimeter square. The refrigerant used is. The right answer is B, that is your carbon dioxide. Next question, aqua ammonia is used as a refrigerant in the following type of refrigeration system. The right answer is D, that is absorption. The next question is, if a evaporator temperature of a plant is lowered, keeping the condenser temperature constant, the HP of a compressor required will be. The right answer is B, more. Next question, in a refrigeration cycle, the flow of refrigerant is controlled by. The right answer is D, and that is your expansion wall. The next question is, where does the lowest temperature occur in a vapor compression cycle is? The right answer is B, that is your evaporator. Next question, the leaks in a refrigeration system using freon are defected by. Freon are defected by. The right answer is A, that is your halide torch, which on detection Halide torch on which on detection produce greenish flame lighting. Next question is pick up the incorrect statement. Pick up the incorrect statement. The right answer is C. A separator is used in a lithium bromide plant to remove the unwanted water vapor by condensing. The next question is the lowest horizontal line of the refrigerant cycle plotted on a pressure enthalpy. The right answer is B. That is your evaporation of the refrigerant liquid. The next question is mass flow ratio of NH3 in comparison to Ferron 12 for the same refrigeration load and same temperature limits is of the order of. The right answer is B. That is 1 is to 9. Next question. Ferron group of refrigerants are. Ferron group of refrigerants are. Right answer is E. That is non-toxic and non-inflammable. Next question is ammonia is right answer is D, that is your highly toxic and inflammable. Next question is in vapor compression cycle using NH3 as refrigerant initial charge is filled at. The right answer is C, that is your high pressure side close to receiver. The next question is short horizontal lines on pressure enthalpy chart shows. The right answer is A, that is your constant pressure lines. Next question is on the pressure enthalpy diagram, condensation and this superheating is represented by a horizontal line because the process. The right answer is E, that is your take place at a constant pressure. Next question is 1 ton of refrigeration is. Right answer is C. The refrigeration effect on a freeze 1 ton of water at 0 degrees Celsius into ice at 0 degrees Celsius in 24 hours. The next question is superheating in a refrigeration cycle. Superheating in a refrigeration cycle. The right answer is B, that is your decrease COP. The next question is for a proper refrigeration in a cabinet, if the temperature and vapor pressure difference between cabinet and the atmosphere is high, what is the right answer is? The right answer is C, that is your perfectly tight vapor seal should be used. Next question is choose the correct statement. Choose the correct statement. Right answer is B. If operating temperature of a system is low, then the refrigerant with low boiling point should be used. Next question is the section pipe diameter of refrigerating unit compressor in a comparison to delivery. The right answer is A, bigger. Next question, moisture in a Ferron refrigeration system causes. The right answer is C, that is your freezing automatic regulating valve. Next question is the advantage of dry compression is that. Right answer is D, all of the above, that is it permits higher speeds to be used and it permits complete evaporation in the evaporator and it results in high volumetric and mechanical efficiency. Next question, choose the wrong statement. Choose the wrong statement. This is the A. This is the wrong statement because temperature of medium being cooled must be below that of a evaporator. The next question is undercooling in a refrigeration cycle. The right answer is A. Increase COP. Undercooling in a refrigeration cycle increase COP. Next question. For obtaining high COP, the pressure range of compressor should be. The right answer is B, that is your low. Next question. The coefficient of performance is the ratio of the refrigerant effect to the. Right answer is D, that is your all of the above. Next question is the COP of refrigeration cycle with increase in evaporator temperature keeping condenser temperature constant will. The right answer is A, increase. The next question is vertical lines on a pressure enthalpy chart shows constant. The right answer is C, that is your total heat lines. Next question. Most of the domestic refrigerators works on the following refrigeration system. The right answer is A, vapor compression. Next question is the general rule for rating refrigeration systems expecting of our CO2 system is to be approximate following HP per ton of refrigeration. The right answer is C, that is 1 to HP per ton refrigeration. Next question is reducing suction pressure in a refrigeration cycle. The right answer is E, all of the above. Yani reduce suction pressure in refrigeration cycle, lower evaporation temperature, increase power required for a ton of refrigeration, lower compressor capacity because vapor is lighter, and reduce weight displaced by piston. The next question is the COP of electroflex refrigerator is equal to. The right answer is A, that is your heat absorbed by evaporator upon heat supplied by the gas burner. The next question is the refrigeration effect in a dry evaporator compared to flooded evaporator in a similar plant is. The right answer is C, less. The next question is the COP of a refrigeration cycle with lowering of condenser temperature keeping the evaporator temperature constant will. The right answer is A, that is increases. Next question is which of the following refrigerant has lowest freezing point? The right answer is D, that is your Furon 22. Next question, the COP of vapor compression plant in a compression to vapor absorption plant is. Right answer is A, more. Next question is the COP of a domestic refrigerator in a comparison to a domestic air conditioner will be. The right answer is C, that is your less. Next question, the evolution of heat of a solution take place in ammonia absorption plant when. The right answer is A, ammonia vapor goes into solution. Next question is the change in evaporator temperature in a refrigeration cycle as compared to change in condenser temperature influence the value of COP. The right answer is A, more. Next question is presence of moisture in a refrigerator affect the working of. The right answer is A, D, expansion wall. Next question, the leaks of refrigeration system using ammonia are detected by. The right answer is B, that is your sulfur sticks which on detection gives white smoke. Next question is one of the purpose of subcooling the liquid refrigerant is to be. Right answer is D, ensure that only liquids and not the vapor enters the expansion, that is throttling valve. Next question, which of the following is not a desirable property of refrigerant? Answer is C, that is your good electrical conductor. And the last question 100, cooling water is required for following equipment in ammonia absorption plant. The right answer is E, that is your condenser, absorber and separator. Thanks for watching and sharing.